my god! Good afternoon, everyone. Did everyone see that one? The driver actually he just drove in front of the ambulance. And I wonder whose fault it will be, if they actually hit each other in that scenario. Probably his, because whenever you hear the ambulance siren, you should always give way. It was quite evident. I heard it from afar. I stayed on the side lane or the inner lane, if I'm correct. However, that guy, for some particular reason, decided to overtake. I bet that was quite a surprise on his end. So, the sun is already back out. It's getting hot. Unlike before, where it was much cooler, weather was much colder. Now, well, it's sunny. But, but, it's also hot at the same time, right? And hot and traffic is never a good combo. Being behind an ambulance, like trailing it is actually, you're not allowed to do that. You could actually get caught. And if you actually get caught, you could actually get fined by it. So, yeah, not a really good idea to do that. It's also dangerous. It's really dangerous to do so. So, if you guys are watching this, it's good to keep that in mind. I actually went up to PCH last weekend, and it was fun. It was fun. I haven't really rode or had a ride in a while. Couple months now. Probably the last one was um last year, 2024. So technically it's also my first ride of 2025. Pero no. Um it was fun. It was surprisingly fun. I haven't been there in a while. I wonder if I could fit here. Probably not. I also don't want to risk it, no way. That's actually scary. Yeah. I actually reached, I forgot the name of the gasoline station, pero naana siya sa Balamban. It's usually the stopping point, no, sa mag-ride. Kay it's far enough, and pag abot nimo kay you have gas, you can chill. There's a coffee shop, so it's a really good spot naman. That's also the spot that we usually stop on with my friends. Kaya we just, wala lang, mag-coffee lang there. Mag-coffee there, mag-chill before we go back down. I wasn't able to, to see or capture lots of the cool bikes, the litter bikes per se. Kay I think I rode up by lunch na, and usually majority of them will be going down to wala, take their lunch na. So maybe next time I will ano na um head a bit earlier. So that naman, you get to see the the cool litter bikes one can only dream of riding one. So if ever they pass by, wala, ma-appreciate na lang po na to. So mao to, nag-fog po di ay. There was a fog sa bukid no. It was nice. In Philippines, probably, yeah, majority of the Philippines, no, rare ra kayo na mag-fog. Kaya we're a tropical country. It's usually hot. It's usually hot. And some parts of Balamban, no, kay cool gid ang place, kay mag-fog. Medyo dangerous. It's not medyo. It's dangerous if, you don't drive carefully, no. Kay visibility is always gonna be lower. Kay fog man. Pero, it's also a nice experience for me, ha. It's a nice experience for me, kay it does not always fog in the Philippines. Fog or moto. Nga, if ever mo sa akin mag-fog, hinahinay na lang food para dili madisgrasya. Unya, pag pauli na ako, ang kuha-kuha yapon kog mga clips kay para mahimog video. Napuno man akong memory card. Napuno. So, I had to change it. I had to change my memory card. Unya, ay, sa limtanon, I forgot to put it back sa SD card holder niya, no. The container. Nabili na ako ang card. All 126 manata nga GB. Nawala, footage, all gone, bye bye. Kailimtanon man. Chances of you finding them again if you drop them are quite low. So I guess, wala, lesson learned. Next time, make sure na check your stuff before you leave. Guys, sayang po. Naman, pero, I really hate doing this one here. I wonder if it's part of the job sa mga security guard nga mga ganun, no? Mag-maintain like the traffic. Maybe. Like they're supposed to manage the traffic at the same time guard, I guess. Maybe we could finally go. Yes, we can. So, muna to ako ang guys, update, chika, na may tawagan na. Short, I went up to TCH. Enjoy niya. Nawala ang footage, nawala ang SD card. Cause, danghag. That's about it. I guess this is where I'll sign off na. Kay, I'm in my destination na. So, mo lang to. Tune in na lang next time, guys. Thank you for listening. Bye!